Hello nail lover, I am Mina. Welcome to French nail with dual form tutorial. I want to learn you how to work with silicone French pads and how to work with builder gel and dual form to make a beautiful French nails. Before I start this video, I did the manicure and prep the nail plate. You can watch my free manicure course in this channel to learn how to manicure and prep the cuticle for nail extension. We size all of the dual form and then we put silicone French pad on the part that you can see in the dual form. We use white color of gel polish for the French area and we cure the white part or French part in lamp for 60 seconds too, and then we detach or remove the silicone pad or French pad in the dual form. As you can see, it's the most easiest way to have a symmetrical and beautiful French nail with dual form. In this part, I try to learn you A to Z of dual form nail extensions and you will learn how to work with builder gel. Builder gel is a little more harder than polygel or hard gel because hard gel are not moving in dual form, but builder gel or any other medium gels may move in dual form. It's a little hard to work, so I recommend watch the video till the end to learn how to work with these kinds of gels. Thank you for like this video, comment for me and send this video for your friends. Okay buddy, I start to sculpt the dual form with a kind of flesh color builder gel. You can see the texture of the gel. It's not totally hard and it's not totally fluid. It's a medium gel. When you work with hard gel such as polygel, acrylic gel, crystal gel, it's a little easier to sculpt the dual form rather than when you are working with fluid gels or medium gels like this one that I use in this video. As I want to be sure that I fill all part of dual form totally and well, I sculpt and fill the dual form in 2 steps as you can see in the video. I fix the gel in dual form with mini UV LED lamp. You cannot use mini LED to cure totally gel. You cannot dry all of the part of the gel with mini finger UV LED. You should use your main UV LED and cure each nails at least for 60 seconds to be totally dry. Please be careful about this. Before apply dual form, we use a thin layer of clear rubber base or base coat. For this part, you have two choices. You can cure the base layer in lamp for 30 seconds, or you can deny this step and don't cure the base layer in lamp. But I recommend that cure the base layer for 30 seconds in lamp to be sure that all of the gel layers will be dry at the end of the nail extension. It's time for the main bulking and sculpting all of the part of dual form and apply it on the nail. We'll do this part finger by finger and sculpt the dual forms one by one because as I said, we are using a medium gel. It may move in the dual form. So we decide to sculpt the dual form one by one and apply it finger by finger. When we press the dual form on nail plate, some of gel may come out, so we should clear under the nail. We use wood stick. You can use any other stuff that can help you to remove extra gel. After fix the dual form with mini UV LED, we should put the finger in UV LED lamp for 60 seconds to cure it well. Then we start to sculpt the other dual form and apply it on nail. let's detach the dual firm and see the result. It's very beautiful. As you can see, beautiful white French with dual firm. The easiest way that you can do it for yourself or for your customers. Clean the nail surface with any cleanser liquid or cleanser solution. Actually, we want to clean the sticky texture of the nail in this step. The sidewall of this finger is a little sharp and I decide to file it sooner than other nails. You can file all of the nails sidewall together, but I decide to do this for this nail a little sooner. For the next step, I want to use e-file and a type of diamond e-bit to file the root area. I want to slick the root area with this type of diamond e-bit. In addition, I use of this e-bit to clean the cuticle area again. It's necessary that you be sure the cuticle area is totally clean, because for the gel polish step, it's very important that you have a perfect manicure and perfect cuticle area. I changed the e-bit and I use a carbide e-bit. It's a slim carbide e-bit. I wanna clean under the nail. Be careful about hyponychium area and be careful, don't damage this part because it's very painful and your customer will be annoyed if you file the hyponychium area. So be very careful in this step. Okay, buddy, for the next step, I use a soft hand file to file side files. As you know, we want the secure form. Be very careful in filing. For the last step, it's turn to fill the root area. Be careful, if the nail plate is very thin, sensitive or damaged, you shouldn't use fluid gels or soft gels. You should use hard gel. I recommend that don't use soft gel for sensitive nail. But in this tutorial, I use a kind of soft gel. It's not totally fluid, but it's a kind of soft gel. I can't put it in medium gels category. You can see the texture of the gel. You can decide what kind of gel is this. I put it in soft gel category, but you can put it in medium gel category. We use gel brush and put enough amount of the gel on the root area and shape it. We use the liner brush to fix the gel. We should rotate the nail for a beautiful and good leveling, because as you know, soft gels and medium gels have the self-leveling feature, and if you want a perfect leveling and a beautiful leveling, you should rotate the nail after put the soft gel on it. In this step, I use a soft nail buffer for a matte texture of the nail. I use a soft hand file to file in the free edge, and I want to say thank you for watching the video till the end. I love you so much. I don't know where are you or which country are you in where you watch this video, but I wish you have the best day and I wish you reach all of your goals. Thank you guys. Like this video and leave a comment for me.